now that I get it all trimmed up, how am I going to support that part? I could do a negative and post it all out and then have to surface the whole thing, or we have another option with inside the design tools. I'm going to do a grid fixture. I already have my spacing plotted out. And over here we have what's called the Plate Fixture Creator. So again, since I already laid out, I'm going to select my layout lines. I'm going to use my quick mask real quick. And voila, we're going to start building up our support fixture. So we're going to add slots, so that way we can slot them all together. I'm going to add a chamfer to add a little clearance to it. Free space. I'm going to clear up some space so when I tilt around, I'm not going to run into my fixture. Do we want a base plate? Yeah, I want a base plate. Scallops. So this is going to go along and reduce as much contact point as possible. In cutouts, I'll add those just to lighten up the part. And our tolerance. Pretty happy with that. Pretty quickly, easily designed up a fixture. Well, we have to make the fixture, so I'm going to say go ahead and create geometry. It's going to create another level. And I can see everything is nested. Well, not nested, everything's laid out and labeled. So we can come back. You can program it on your water jet, whatever you're going to use to cut it out, or even if you had a piece of sheet metal you wanted to run on the mill, able to do it all super quick and easy. So definitely